Today, I want to share with you an inspiring story that combines science and life experience. It's about an incredible woman, Maria, who at 95 years old found a way to regain her strength, energy, and independence. And believe me, she didn't need miracles, just small, scientifically proven habits that any of us can adopt. Have you ever woken up feeling like getting out of bed was a battle? When even the simplest movements seem impossible? Climbing stairs, carrying bags, or even walking around the house becomes a challenge. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Studies show that starting at age 30, we lose about 3% to 8% of our muscle mass every decade, with the rate accelerating after 60. This condition is known as sarcopenia, a natural process, but one that can be reversed with the right strategies. Maria was always a lively woman. She loved tending to her garden, cooking for her family, and walking around the neighborhood, greeting everyone with a warm smile. But one day, everything changed. While trying to pick up a pot she had always lifted effortlessly, her hands trembled. Climbing stairs, something that was once natural, became a difficult task. She was afraid. Was it just fatigue or something deeper? After a visit to the doctor, Maria discovered she was facing sarcopenia. This condition is caused by a reduction in muscle protein synthesis, worsened by low-grade chronic inflammation associated with aging. The doctor explained that without action, her strength would continue to decline, increasing the risk of falls, loss of mobility, and a significant reduction in quality of life. The good news: studies confirm that simple and consistent habits can slow down or even reverse muscle loss. That's how Maria began her transformation journey. Here are the 6 habits that changed her life and can change yours too, all backed by science. The brush massage that awakened her muscles. Maria started using a natural bristle brush every morning before her bath. Dry brushing improves lymphatic and blood circulation, removing toxins accumulated in the tissues. Studies indicate that gentle massage stimulates mechanoreceptors in the skin, promoting blood vessel dilation and enhancing the delivery of nutrients to muscles. This helped reduce muscle stiffness and increase her energy levels upon waking. The broth that restored her strength. A bone broth rich in collagen, minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, and amino acids such as glycine and proline became part of her routine. Collagen is essential for joint and muscle health, preventing injuries and facilitating muscle regeneration. Studies suggest that regular collagen intake can increase lean muscle mass in older adults when combined with light exercise. The deep breathing that regenerated her muscles. Maria learned the 4-7-8 breathing technique, which involves inhaling for 4 seconds, holding for 7, and exhaling for 8 seconds. This practice activates the vagus nerve, responsible for the body's parasympathetic response, reducing oxidative stress, a key factor in muscle degradation with age. Additionally, deep breathing increases oxygenation of muscle tissues, facilitating post-exercise recovery. The stick that reactivated her strength. Using a simple stick, Maria practiced functional exercises that activated large muscle groups. Studies show that light resistance exercises can significantly increase protein synthesis even in older adults. Regular practice strengthened her arms, legs, and back, improving her posture, balance, and preventing falls. Functional exercises also activate stabilizer muscles, which are essential for mobility. The antioxidant nutrition that transformed her energy. Maria incorporated foods like quinoa, berries, seeds, and leafy greens into her diet. These foods are rich in antioxidants such as vitamins C and E, polyphenols, and omega-3, which combat free radicals responsible for inflammation and muscle degradation. Additionally, the plant-based protein in quinoa provides essential amino acids necessary for muscle synthesis. Research suggests that an antioxidant-rich diet is associated with the maintenance of muscle mass during aging. Walking barefoot. That reconnected her with nature. Walking barefoot on grass, sand, or smooth stones is a practice known as earthing or grounding. Studies indicate that direct contact with the earth can reduce systemic inflammation through the transfer of free electrons, which neutralize free radicals. Additionally, walking barefoot activates stabilizer muscles in the feet and ankles, improving balance and preventing falls. At 95 years old, Maria is no longer the woman who feared losing her independence. She moves with ease, tends to her garden joyfully, and wakes up every morning feeling capable and strong. Her journey proves that it's never too late to transform your life with simple yet powerful habits. And now, I want to hear from you. Which of these habits will you start practicing? If you've made it this far, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Rate this video from 1 to 10 in the comments and let us know what you think of the content. Your feedback is essential for us to keep bringing you useful and relevant information. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.